Article 214 of the Indian Constitution establishes the presence of a High Court in each state of India. Here's a breakdown of what this article entails. Provision of High Courts. Article 214 mandates that every state in India must have its own High Court. This ensures that each state has a judiciary at the highest level to address legal matters within its jurisdiction. Jurisdiction. The High Court serves as the highest court of appeal within the state, having the authority to hear cases from lower courts within the state. It can hear civil, criminal, and constitutional matters. Structure and role. The High Court functions under the framework provided by the Constitution, including its powers and functions. It plays a critical role in interpreting the law, ensuring justice, and safeguarding rights within the state. Independence and authority. While high courts operate within individual states, they are part of the larger judicial system of India. They maintain a level of independence and authority, contributing to the checks and balances in governance. In essence, Article 214 is a fundamental provision that ensures the decentralized and effective administration of justice across India by establishing a high court in every state. The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 5. The High Courts in the States. Article 214. High Courts for States. There shall be a High Court for each state.